Hi, I'm Allison, and I'm going to show you how to organize your Moodle site with labels. This video was filmed in August 2013, so depending on when you're accessing this video and what version of Moodle you're using, your site may look a little different from what you see in this video. But the basic functions and principles should still hold. Watch carefully, feel free to pause the video when you need to, and you should be able to use these steps to organize your Moodle site with labels. Let's be honest, does your Moodle site sometimes feel like a little bit of a disaster? And are you finding that you're drowning your participants in links and activities without a really good sense of direction? That happens a lot in Moodle. A lot of it is just the way that Moodle is naturally set up to be kind of a calendar with a bunch of sort of link pileups can happen. But labels are actually one of the simplest but most overlooked ways to add some really good structure to your Moodle site. So a label looks something like this. You can add a title, you can give it some colors, you can change the text a little bit, you can change the font, and a label can sit inside of a topic. So this is sort of a topic section here, and just give some added structure inside each topic section. So how do you add a label? Well, let's go to the end here and go ahead and add a label. All you have to do is click Add an Activity or Resource and choose Label. Hit Add. And then you can put any text you want in this label text box. You can go ahead and change the font to be bold, change the size, change the color. I'm at the University of Minnesota, so I love to use this maroon right here. And then that is a label. And then all you have to do is save and return to the course. And with the new drag and drop features in Moodle, you can go ahead and drag this label to wherever it fits best and plop it down. So that's really simple. And then you can go ahead and drag your links and things underneath it. And it's really easy to go ahead and just add some added structure to what otherwise would be a sort of unstructured link list. If you want to duplicate this label, sometimes you find that you're doing a consistent structure of labels throughout your course. All you have to do is hit this button, Duplicate, and go ahead and hit Continue, and because I'm sure I want to duplicate the label, and I will get the same label again. I can actually go ahead and edit the new copy right now and give it a different text or something inside of it, or I can just hit return the course and I'll have the exact same label twice. So you'll see, pops up right below it, and then I could go ahead and add it to a different section. So labels are really simple to add, really simple to change colors and fonts and things in ways that are helpful to you. Two things to think about when you're adding labels, though, are consistency. So do you notice that you always have readings and an assignment? Is there some consistent structure that you're asking students to do every time in every topic in your class? Then go ahead and add consistent labels under each topic section. And another thing to think about is active verbs in labels. So Moodle, or an online learning in general, doesn't really need to feel like this never-ending trip to Wikipedia where everything is really text-heavy and there's kind of no call to action. And stagnant text just isn't quite something that engages students. So you can use some active verbs and just, again, some of these might be a little cheesy, but verbs that call them out and help make it clear to your participants how they can best dig into the material that you're putting down for them. So again, consistency, one thing to think about, and adding active verbs in your labels that help direct participants for how they're supposed to be engaging with the material. All right, enjoy. Happy Moodling.